Hello everyone, I'm Fonneh from the Carpentry Department Youth Rising Program or TVET instructor. Today we're going to be telling you a simple method in producing a bench. First thing first, you need a working drawing. If you want to produce a bench, you will need to know the measurement, the various measurement of various angles. You will need a full working drawing that consists of the various details, measurements. So as you can see here in my hand, we have a little working sketch. It is not to scale. It's a little working sketch. We'll be using this to carry on our work. So let's go on. Firstly, our bench we are going to produce is 12 inches wide, 18 inches high, 24 inches long. That is our finished measurement. And the stood is 24 inches high, the top is 14 inches, and the bottom is 15 out to out, but in to in is 13, while in to in of the top is 12. So we're going to be producing this stood and this bench. Okay, first we're going to start with the bench. To get this 18 hard finishing, we firstly need our 2x2 piece. We're going to cut this. Since we need 18 inches, we're going to cut this 17 1/4. The reason is the piece we are using for our top is 3/4 thick. So the 17 1/4 plus the 3/4 will give us exact 18 inches. So our finished measurement is 18 inches. So we'll cut our pieces. So you'll need your retractable rule. Okay, so we'll need 4 pieces of this to produce our bench. Okay, then we go to the rails. The rails will have a slant here to the rails. We're building the bench in a way that the seat going to sink in the rails. So we'll have a little bevel here to the longer side of the rail. So to get this bevel, you get a 24 inches cut on this 1x3 tropical wood. I will go to our power tool again. And we get our 7/8 for the seat, and we get 2 3/4 for the hangover. You use your square, draw your line, and this machine can rotate. So all you do is do the screw in, and you go 45 degrees. we are, we have our piece for our side rail. So then we'll go to we need 2 pieces of this for the bench. So we go to the center rails. Since our bench is 12 inches wide and the rails we are using, we have exact 1 inch thickness. We'll subtract the thickness of the rails from the overall measurement to get our middle rail measurement. So we'll have 1 inch here plus the second one. So we're going to minus 2 inches from the 12 inches total measurement we have. That will give us our middle rail measurement. So we get our 10 inches. We set our compressor on 0 degree. And we carry on our cut. So we're going to use 4 pieces of this. Okay. Then we go to the top piece. Our measurement for the top piece is 24 length. And so we measure 24. What we have here is 1/8. So we'll need 2 pieces, rip it to the sizes, and we join it and get our total measurement we need. So we'll use 2 pieces of this for the top. Okay. So we're going to go over to the table saw to size our pieces. This wood, this 1/8 by 24. We're going to rip this to 1/5 by 24. And we'll need 2 pieces of this to fit the top. So we're going to size it to 1/5. Okay, this is the piece we want. We're going to need 2 pieces of this for our top. So far so good. We have cut in the pieces for our bench. We're going to process our pieces. The pieces we cut in the previous workshop. We're going to process them and have them assembled. So we're going to use this simple hand plane to do our processing. We're now ready to assemble. We start on assembling the bench. So we put in our rails together. Want to do pre-nailing. Okay, we have the frame of our bench. We're going to do the diagonal measurement. We have it. Okay, this is so we're going to put our top pieces. Want to need a little slide smoothing. Use our plane to do this. We have a small bench, and this bench is 2 feet long. We're going to do some little trimming to get concluded. So now we're doing the sandpaper. So clear the rough edge. Gotta be a bit fast in this process because the varnish got thinner in it. We need to apply second coat as well. So after the first coat, we have to give it some time to dry. We apply second and third coats. Okay, so this is the bench. Whatever coat you want to apply, you're gonna wait to get dry first. You apply the next coat. So the coat, at least 3 coats will be okay. Guys, thanks for watching. Once again, I'm Fonneh from the carpentry department of the Youth Rising Project. Follow us on Facebook at Youth Rising Liberia for similar videos. This project is funded by the European Union.